Hi there, students. Yesteryear. Yesteryear. Okay, this is an uncountable noun. This is a rather literary phrase meaning a time in the past. Yeah, so the musicians of yesteryear, yeah, of a time for which you feel nostalgic. Yeah, a time yesteryear is when values were different. It's a period in the past or a way of life that no longer exists. Yeah, so the ideals of yesteryear have changed. Yeah, the moral values of yesteryear should still be valid today, but unfortunately, I think they're not. So this is talking about time gone by, in past years. Yeah, days of yore. Yeah. So I went to an exhibition that was a show of the cars of yesteryear. Yeah, of a time in the past that no longer exists, a bygone time, bygone days, the good old days. Yeah, in the old days. So I'm not the person I was of yesteryear. Yeah, time ago anymore. Okay, the medical practices today are very different to the medical practices of yesteryear. Okay, so yesteryear, a time in the past, often the recent past, but not necessarily so recent, but something that's remembered nostalgically. Yeah, it's something, oh, wasn't that wonderful? So old people are going on about how things were different in yesteryear, in time gone by. I think you might use it especially for something recently gone by, maybe 10, 20, 30 years, but it could be before that. Yeah, so the values of yesteryear during the past, in a bygone age. Yeah, something that is no longer there. Yeah, my time at university, my days of yesteryear. So I don't know, Rambo was an action hero, but of yesteryear. I think there are many modern day ones. Yeah, I like to listen to the music of yesteryear. Okay, yeah, the jazz of yesteryear, from the past, from a previous age. Okay, so yesteryear, something of yesteryear, the days of yore. Yeah, from something that happened in the past, or a period in the past. So notice formality, yesteryear. I'm going to give this a 5.5. Most of the dictionaries say it's a bit formal, but I don't really think so. I think you could use this anywhere, informally, semi-formally, and formally as well. And then as to origin, well, it comes from yester and year. Yester, as in yesterday, from Proto-Germanic gistra, meaning yesterday, Proto-Indo-European, yes, as in yesterday, or Greek, thes, yesterday again, or Sanskrit, hyas, yesterday. So there are lots of, it goes back a very long way. Yeah, and yesteryear, okay, the word year, from jar in, or Jedi in Proto-Germanic, and yo, or yor, in Proto-Indo-European. So, yeah, well, if you look at some of my old videos, I guess this was the me of yesteryear. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Yesteryear.